In the quiet darkness of your room, when all is at rest, there unfolds a process as remarkable as any sunrise. As you close your eyes and drift into sleep, your body embarks on an intricate journey of renewal and strength building. Picture a quiet workshop where microscopic craftsmen repair and rebuild the very fibers of your muscles. Every evening, as you surrender to sleep, tiny tears formed during the day's activities begin to mend. This isn't magic. It is a natural, biological masterpiece. Your muscles, having taken the strain of daily movements and exercise, start a repair process that transforms micro-damage into new, resilient tissue. In this guide, you will discover the essential process of muscle repair and growth, and you'll learn why sleep is such a vital ally in building physical strength. Imagine your muscles as a bustling city, and every cell plays a role in ensuring the metropolis remains strong and vibrant. Through the lens of this metaphor, each biological detail can seem as colorful and evocative as brushstrokes on an artist's canvas. In the following scenes, you will journey through the core steps of this nightly regeneration: the creation of microdamage from daily activities, the powerful surge of growth hormone release, the subtle but essential process of tissue repair, and the overall impact on physical recovery that enriches every athletic movement and daily task. This process, seen every night, is both fundamental and fascinating, a natural rhythm that culminates in the muscle strength you rely on to conquer the day ahead. Throughout your waking hours, your muscles endure countless stresses. Whether you lift weights, sprint across a field, or simply walk through your day, your muscles undergo contractions that are both forceful and repetitive. In doing so, tiny tears, micro-damages, occur within the muscle fibers. Imagine them as small fissures in an intricate piece of stone sculpture. At first, these breaks may seem harmful, but they set the stage for a remarkable transformation. The damages are signals that your muscles need to be rebuilt stronger than ever before. In this scene, your body, in its silent wisdom, recognizes that these minute injuries are an invitation to restore and fortify the tissue. Like a craftsman assessing the delicate cracks in an antique vase, the body senses where repair is needed with precision. Each micro-tear, though nearly invisible to the naked eye, whispers a call for regeneration. The phenomenon is not only natural, it is necessary for progress. Without these tiny wounds, the signal to repair and grow would be missing, and your muscles might remain fragile and unchallenged. As you drift into sleep, the repair process begins in earnest, turning each tear into an opportunity for strength. At the heart of this nighttime rebuilding is the release of growth hormone. During deep sleep, the pituitary gland intensifies its production of this vital substance. Picture a surge of life-giving rain falling upon a parched landscape. This hormone acts as a catalyst that accelerates the repair process. It infuses energy into cells, driving them to work diligently at sealing the microdamages and building new tissue. Growth hormone is the natural spark that ignites the transformation in your muscles. In moments when you are enveloped in sleep, every heartbeat and breath synchronizes with the rhythm of regeneration. The growth hormone is secreted in pulses, its timing perfectly choreographed to coincide with the phases of deep sleep. These hormonal pulses contribute to an environment where muscle repair isn't just possible, it's optimized. In this scene, your body becomes a well-tuned machine, where every part works in harmony to ensure that the stress of the day is counterbalanced by the restorative power of nighttime recovery. The hormone doesn't simply trigger tissue repair, it nurtures and strengthens every cell, making your muscles more resilient with every returning dawn. Imagine a bustling construction site where skilled workers restore a grand architectural structure. Each worker, armed with tools and materials, mends cracks, fortifies weak points, and builds new structures where old ones once lay damaged. This is a vibrant picture of what happens in your muscles during tissue repair. As sleep deepens, specialized cells known as satellite cells rush to the sites of micro-damage, gathering to rebuild the fibers. They fuse with the ruptured muscle cells, patching and weaving them into a more robust network. Every thread of your muscle tissue becomes part of this grand tapestry of repair. Over time, repeated bouts of repair lead not only to recovery, but also to growth. Just as a building is reinforced after repairs, your muscles, once healed, show increased strength and endurance. The process is both gentle and purposeful. With each repair, your muscles upgrade their blueprint, transforming stress into capacity. This mechanism is nature's way of ensuring that every exertion is met with a profound biological reward. In the softness of sleep, the the beauty of healing is revealed. A process that is as methodical as it is miraculous, yielding stronger muscles to support your future endeavors. As the night unfolds, numerous physiological processes are at work behind the scenes, all devoted to restoring your body's vitality. Picture a well-organized control center humming with diligent activity. In this environment, your heart rate slows, your breathing eases, and blood flow is redirected to where it is most needed, your muscles and vital organs. This period of rest is a time when your body's resources are concentrated on recovery. Every moment of deep sleep acts as a recharging station, replenishing your energy reserves while reducing overall inflammation and stress. During this restorative phase, the nervous system relaxes, and the body's cellular repair processes accelerate. The peaceful darkness of night is more than a backdrop. It is an active canvas upon which recovery occurs. Metabolic processes are recalibrated, and hormones that counter stress are released. The interplay of these factors ensures that you wake up not only refreshed, but also physically revived. In this quiet recovery, every cell is working tirelessly to rebuild, repair, and renew. Your muscles, once burdened by the rigors of the day, emerge reborn, poised to deliver strength and resilience as you greet the new light of dawn. By morning, as you step out into the light of a new day, you carry within you the tangible results of the night's labor. The strength that you may feel is more than just an abstract concept. It is the accumulation of countless cellular repairs and growth spurts, facilitated by a deep, restorative sleep. Whether you are an athlete pushing your limits or someone who navigates the challenges of everyday life, the strength you build while you sleep comes to life in every stride, every lift, and every act of perseverance. In this scene, the story of your daily strength unfolds. Imagine being on a playing field where every touch, jump, and sprint is supported by muscles that have been carefully tuned and rebuilt during the night. The strength you feel is not solely the result of exercise, but the combined output of dedicated muscle repair, hormonal boosts, and full-body recovery processes that took place while you slept. This dance between activity and recovery creates a cycle in which each day's efforts are magnified by the nightly restoration process. It is a cycle designed by nature to enhance not only athletic performance, but also the quality of your everyday movements, ensuring that you live with energy, resilience, and a renewed sense of physical capability. For those new to the subject, the science behind muscle repair during sleep may seem like a simple tale told in everyday language. However, the underlying processes are as intricate as they are effective. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles experience tiny ruptures, the body's way of signaling that they have worked hard. In response, the body recruits a fleet of cellular helpers, each with a specific role. These include satellite cells, which serve as the repair artisans, and robust chemical messengers like growth hormone, which act as the foreman coordinating each repair effort. During sleep, when distractions fade and your focus turns inward, your body directs energy towards healing and restoration. The synchronization of various processes ensures that your muscles not only mend, but also adapt to become stronger than before. This concept, where stress and recovery work hand in hand, is central to understanding how physical strength is built over time. As you watch your muscles rebuild, imagine each repair as a small victory. It is a quiet, ongoing testament to the power of recovery, showing that rest is not merely an absence of movement, but an active phase of progress and growth. Turning our focus to everyday life, recognize that the strength derived from sleep is not reserved for elite athletes alone. It is available to all who embrace the rhythm of activity and rest. Whether you are fighting through a busy day at work, engaging in the hustle of daily routines, or embarking on an athletic pursuit, the recuperative power of sleep has implications for everyone. Think of it as nature's universal remedy. In a world that often glorifies constant action and productivity, the simple act of sleeping well stands as a fundamental pillar of health. When you respect the natural cycle of exertion and rest, you grant your body the ability to recharge fully. A good night's sleep, replete with deep and rejuvenating stages, ensures that your muscles are prepared for whatever challenges come your way. In every stretch and every movement, there is a subtle reminder that behind the scenes, your body was hard at work strengthening itself. By understanding and appreciating the profound impact of sleep on muscle repair, you open the door to a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle, one where balance is key, and every night builds towards a brighter, stronger tomorrow. To fully harness the strength-building benefits of sleep, It helps to create an environment that welcomes deep rest. First, set aside ample time for sleep, aiming for consistent hours that allow your body to complete its natural cycles. Dim the lights in your room, ensuring the atmosphere is calm and inviting. Keep your surroundings cool, quiet, and free of distractions like screens or loud noises. By nurturing an environment that aligns with the natural rhythms of your body, you support the hormonal and cellular activities that drive muscle repair. As you prepare for bed, consider winding down with calming activities. Gentle stretches, reading, or even a warm shower can signal to your body that it is time to shift from the busy energy of the day to the restorative mode of night. Alongside setting up a peaceful environment, maintain a balanced daily routine that includes adequate hydration, nutritious meals, and regular physical activity. This balance ensures that when sleep arrives, your muscles are receptive to the restorative messages carried by growth hormone and other factors. Remember, the journey to stronger muscles begins with understanding the need for both effort and rest. Imagine a time-lapse sequence captured through a microscope. As midnight deepens, you see a flurry of activity within your muscle fibers. Microscopic satellite cells appear along the edges of a damaged fiber, moving in tandem with the rhythm of your slow, steady heartbeats. In their path, growth hormone signals flash like tiny beacons of light, drawing the cells to where repairs are needed. Over the span of the night, each microtear is sealed, and the muscle fiber is clarified into a more robust, intertwined structure. This visual symphony, both microscopic and profound, is the essence of what happens as you sleep. The scene is alive with gentle motion. Fine threads of repair weave together with shimmering signals of regeneration, creating a tapestry that stands as evidence of your body's unyielding capacity to overcome the strains of daily life. The artistry of muscle repair during sleep is not only a scientific marvel, it is an inspiring orchestration of nature itself. In each tiny repair effort, there is the promise of renewed strength, a promise that bolsters your confidence in every step and every leap. When you awaken, feel the quiet assurance that your body has been busy all night. The silent work of repair, orchestrated in the stillness of sleep, leaves you with muscles that are resilient and ready. Every day, your body performs this intricate dance between wear and repair, converting the struggles of physical activity into the power of growth. Sleep is not simply a period of inactivity. It is a vital chapter in the story of strength, a fundamental process where healing and development unfold simultaneously. As you integrate this knowledge into your life, envision each night as an opportunity, a small but significant investment in your physical future. Whether you are racing on a track, lifting weights, or simply going about daily routines, remember that beneath it all lies a hidden legacy of repair. With every deep, restorative slumber, your muscles rebuild, your body rejuvenates, and you become better prepared for the adventures that await with the morning light. This journey through muscle repair, growth hormone release, tissue restoration, and overall physical recovery reminds you that rest is the cornerstone of strength. By embracing the natural cycles of exertion and recovery, you set the stage for a vibrant, active life, where every action is supported by the quiet, powerful work done while you sleep. Enjoy the night's gift of regeneration. It is nature's gentle promise that you will wake stronger, ready to meet the challenges and joys of a brand new day. Visualize an elegant montage of scenes, a slow-motion shot of vigorous physical activity, transitioning into a peaceful sleep, followed by microscopic images of cells at work, and concluding with sunrise over a tranquil landscape. The imagery reinforces the message: every moment of sleep is a building block that supports the strength you use every day. The visuals are vivid and stirring, inviting you to view sleep not as passive rest, but as an active, essential process that fills your muscles with life. Let the message resonate. Sleep builds strength, making your daily moves, athletic endeavors, and every simple act a celebration of the body's remarkable ability to repair, adapt, and grow. With every blink of your eyes closing at night, picture the microscopic world of muscle cells coming together in harmony, ensuring that you greet each new day with newly fortified strength and resilience. So, as you relax your mind and prepare for sleep tonight, consider the silent symphony of restoration that awaits. Let go of the day's stresses and trust in the time-honored process of repair. In your rest, there is creation. In your sleep, there is the promise of a stronger tomorrow. The narrative you have journeyed through reminds you, every night, as you surrender to sleep, you are gifting your body a renewed chance to flourish. In the gentle interplay of micro-damage and repair, amidst hormonal surges and invasive cell work, there is an unwavering commitment to your health and strength. Sleep isn't merely an escape, it is an essential, active process that transforms the echoes of exertion into the foundation of physical power. Embrace this nightly miracle, knowing that with every shutdown of your day, your body is busily sculpting a future where strength is rebuilt, resilience is restored, and every fiber of your being sings with the quiet triumph of regeneration. As the final note fades and the canvas of night gives way to the blush of dawn, carry with you the understanding that rest is not wasted. Instead, it is the precursor to performance, the quiet rehearsal for moments of brilliance. In each sleep-filled night, discover the art and science of muscle repair, a process as natural as breathing and as essential as strength itself. The end of this guide marks only the beginning of a deeper appreciation for the nighttime rituals of muscle repair. Understand that every hour spent in sleep is a step toward better health and stronger physical expression. This is the legacy inscribed within your cells, a mystery unveiled each night, a promise renewed at dawn. Embrace sleep and let it be the foundation upon which your strength is built every single day.